Ooh, low key. Damn. Not bad. Not bad at all. It was nice. Anyways, let's get into today. So, bro, this wasn't the best. I was making my analysis, and the way I can tell if a day's gonna be good or not, in a way, is how long it takes me to do my analysis. Right? But anyway, let's get into it. Put this on my shit. Put this on my shit. Be suck my dick. I mean, bro, it's pretty basic, bro. Like, we're kind of inside of like two gaps. It was high time from LR above, but like, it's not much significance. And this literally speaks for itself. It's either we inverse this 1 hour at 10 a.m. and get a continuation down to each relatively equal lows of New York PM and AM, which are also intermediate low because there's a 5 minute there. Or we get a sweep of this, maybe long to here, or we inverse this stuff to get a continuation tard model, this way, boom, 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 something like that, or boom, boom, boom. Basically, what I'm saying is I want a continuation model of some sorts. And another condition or whatever I kind of had was that, or possibility was that we took this out and then we inverse this 15 minute before tapping into this hourly up here. And if that happens, I would want LR build up after the 15 minute gets inversed. So yeah. Anyways, so what happens? On ES, same fucking thing basically. I want ES is super bullish for me. I want buys to here. Why not? Anyways, oh yeah, also we have equal odds here. I mean, it's fucking London Dinger, equal highs. There really wasn't much to fucking go over. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Anyways. So boom. Market opens. Tap that 15 minute, I was like, let's see what this shit happens here. We come down and go down there, drop, take out that bitch, and we built more LR kind of in this area. And I was like, okay, we might short this maybe. I don't really see much there. I was like, oh, whatever. We took this out, and I was like, this looks protected as fuck. I'm bullish from here. Yes, we have LR under us, but it's like, I don't know. I like coming out of this shit too strongly. Looks super high resistance. This got swept by this, and this got swept by this, and then that got swept by this. So it is super high resistance in my mind. I really didn't see much for a bit. I was kind of like, okay, here I wanted LR to be built up, and then we could. I was like, we might sweep out the lows, and then aim for up here, and open up 10 a.m. Leave an unmitigated gap right here. Let me mark that out real quick. So I made a new hourly open of a figure light gap right there, and I was like, hopefully we can keep it unmitigated, go down lower, get a sweep along to that hourly with LR build up. Nope, it just fucking ran it. I was like, okay, what the hell? And I was just waiting, tapped that hourly. And I was like, dude, this does not look bearish at all. I doubt we're bearish here. And I was like, I don't see much too sexy here. And then boom, 5 minute fair value gap. We inverse on the 15 minutes. These boys over here. I was like, hey, I'm more bullish than not. ES look pretty decently bullish as well. Decently, this looks fucking hella bullish. So I was like, okay, I can aim for these tiny ass equal highs right here. Right? Some slight. Also another hourly unmitigated they might go to. So yeah. And then chapter that 5 minute, I was like, nothing to fucking take here. Like, you can go all the way to the 15 second. There isn't anything to take. Boom. Waited. Started building just some structures to go break even at. And then I was looking at this 2 minute, and I was like, this doesn't look too bad. I just didn't like it as much though. And then I was like, oh, look at that. There's a 30-second BPR IVG, which is like just more strong to go higher, and at least you gotta break even at most, or at least, in my opinion. Boom, wait, boom, bam. We finally inversed that 30-second and that 2 minute. And it was pretty decent mid entry. I rate this setup a like a 3-star setup. Like on the lower side of 3-star. Not the best. Maybe even going to like 2.9, 2.8. Yeah, but my answer, I'm gonna break even at these kind of relatively equal highs right here. Boom. And something I could have waited for was a discount entry, knowing the fact that this wasn't the best trade. That's something I didn't like about today. Well, first of all, this trade wasn't good at all. Or not good at all, but like it was pretty decent. It's 2.8, you know. That's what I'd give it. But I had some conviction in it, so. But with trades like these, I definitely could wait for a discount entry, knowing that they're more or less probable. I definitely could have got a way better entry by tapping into like here instead. You know what I'm saying? Boom, the LR took it out, went break even, went straight down to break even. Yeah. Saving from a loss. Thank God. W risk management. From here I was like, oh, good long. But I just hopped off. I didn't like BA. Oh yeah, there was a re-entry right here, which I think was pretty shit. Because the fact we got break even already shows signs that's bad. Also, freaking ES took out. ES kind of did what I wanted NQ to do. But yeah, took out London, went higher, and NQ just went lower, bro. I don't fucking know. And I don't fucking care. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Straight donkey shit.